Good morning students. Today we are here with worksheet number 11 for class 10, that is from our chapter 2nd, acid, bases and salts. And today our topic is neutralization reaction. What is neutralization reaction? It is a reaction between acid and base. When any acid reacts with the base, it gives salt and water, and this type of reaction is called neutralization reaction. Student, all acid give hydrogen ions on reaction with the water, and all bases give hydroxide ions when reacting with the water. Some bases are soluble in water are called alkali. There is a scale, student, which is developed for measuring the hydrogen ion concentration. Whether hydrogen ion concentration is more or less, its scale is helping for us. This scale is called pH scale. Okay. pH means potential. P for potential, H for hydrogen. It means pH scale gives us the potential of hydrogen ions, whether it liberates in the more concentration or in the less concentration. You can see here a scale starting from 0 and ends at the 14, and the 7 is the central number. Student, the value of the 7 is neutral. It means the solution which has 7 reading on the pH scale is a neutral solution. It can't acid and it can't show the property of base. As we move to our right hand side, student, the concentration of OH ion increases, and OH ions are for base. It means above 7 all the readings are for base, and below the 7 all the readings on the pH scale are acidic. For example, you can see here on the scale pure water. Pure water has reading 7. It means it is neutral. Gastric juice is about 1.2 on our left hand side. Their hydrogen ions concentration is very high, so it is acidic. Milk of magnesia, which has pH reading 10, it is on our right hand side. It is basic. I think it is clear up to you. pH scale, which tells about the potential of hydrogen ions, whether hydrogen ion concentration increase or decrease. 7 is the neutral value, and above 7 when we move toward 14 its basicity increase, and below 7 when we move towards 0 its acidic character increases. Here is a table, student, which give difference between strong acid and weak acid, strong base and weak base. What is a strong acid? Which ionize 100% in aqueous solution. It means those acid which when mixed with the water they get completely ionized and produce a large concentration of hydrogen ions. Weak acids, they dissociate partially and release less hydrogen ion concentration. Strong acid like sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid and nitric acid. Weak acid like ethanoic acid and carbonic acid. Strong base, student, which are completely ionized and produce a higher concentration of OH ions, and weak bases which partially dissociate and produce a less concentration of hydroxide ion. Examples are also there. For strong base, sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide, and for weak base, it is ammonium hydroxide. Let us practice some questions. First, you have two solutions A and B. pH of A is 6 and pH of B is 8. Which of these two have higher hydrogen concentration? Let's move on to our scale. We talk about the hydrogen ion concentration, means acidic character are on the left hand side, that is below 7, and basic character is above 7. So A is pH 6. It means A has higher hydrogen concentration because A shows acidic character. Okay. Second, in the above question, which one of the two solution is acidic and which one is basic? Very good. A is acidic because its pH is less than 7, and B is basic because its pH is more than 7. Fresh milk has a pH of 6. How do you think the pH will change, turns into curd? Yes, there is a change occurs in the pH because for making curd we have their lactic acid, and acids have the pH less than toward the left hand side. If fresh milk has pH 6, then the curd has the pH less than 6. So there will be a decrease in the pH. Write two name of strong acids and two strong bases. You can see in the above difference table two strong acid and bases. Last question is, our pure water has pH 7. What should be its nature? 7 means, students, neutral. It means pure water is our neutral. I hope you can understand the neutralization reaction, strong acid, weak acid, strong base, weak base, and about the pH scale, how we can see that hydrogen ion concentration is more or less, solution is acidic or basic by a pH scale. If you like these worksheets and able to understand all about the neutralization reaction, then like my channel, share among your friends, and subscribe my channel Learning Light if you can't till subscribe to get the more notification about the worksheet. Thank you.